Alright, for tonight's homework, the question says below is a number line with 0 and 1 labeled. The first part of it says find and label the numbers -2 and -4 on the number line. So to get to -2, we start from 2 and then we go to the opposite of 2. So the same distance from 0, just on the other side of the 0. So -2 is over here. If you want to start by building the 1 and then the -1, you can do that. But whoops, I put -2 there, -1. -2 is the same distance from 0, just on the other side of the number line from 2. And that's what you'd put to explain that. We can keep building, we'll put out 3, and then they ask us to put in 4. 4 is over here, so it's the same distance from 0 as 4 is, just on the other side of the number line. So they're opposites. Now there's a question down here. It says find and label the number -2. You can read that as the opposite of the opposite of 2. So the opposite of the opposite of 2. It's kind of a weird thing to say. But the idea is, let's take the opposite of 2. That's -2. And let's find the opposite of that. So that'd just be on the other side of the number line of it. So that's equal to 2. And then for the opposite of 4, or -4, your answer would just be 4. Because you're saying take that -4 and go to the opposite of it. Same distance from 0, just on the other side. For the last question, it says find and label the number -0 on the number line. Well, on a number line, -0, that means the opposite of 0. It's just itself, because 0 is the same distance from 0 as itself. So your answer would just be 0. So for each of these answers, for each of these questions, make sure that you put in a couple of sentences to explain. And that's your homework for tonight.